What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's video, you are going to see how to convert a Google Doc to a PDF. So to do that, let's head over to our web browser, and here's a Google Doc that I have opened up. So this is the format, and PDF format is quite shareable and easy to handle too. So we have to head over to this file option right here and click on it. And here you will find the option of download, and just go to the PDF document, select it and click on it, and a PDF file of this document will be downloaded. Open it up, and as you can see, the PDF file of this Google Doc is been made. So yeah, this is how you can just do it. And once you are done with it, tap on the share, and here just change it to restricted from anyone at the link, and just copy the link and send it to anyone, or you can also send your Google document. Hope this video helps you out. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video.